Good day, Devo. Today, my message is in day 7, the refined sphere. And I sort of apologize for the screen being a little bit dark, but I don't because it's out of my control. It's the weather. And I'm not a fan of bright artificial lights, so I'm not turning the overhead light on. I'm just letting the computer and my little lamps. Today is refine. Refine is where you enhance the lesson of everything that you've experienced over these other 6 days, today being the 7th day. That is refine. And for me, my refined sphere, my message is I am a verb. I'm not a static thing, a solid, unchanging form, like this little crow statue that my friend gave me. I'm a verb. I'm a happening. I'm an unfolding of whatever the Big Bang, whatever has been put forth into movement in this reality that I exist in. And so then you recognize that your personas are not a hard, static thing. They are more like tools or observations of what's just unfolding in front of you. And so my refinement is to recognize this dynamic thing that is happening in actual reality. And that is the heroine's journey. That is this entire cycle. So what we're gonna do is today's day 7, we refined all of this, and then we're gonna do another cycle beginning tomorrow. And that one will happen to be a new moon. So I hope you join me again. Anybody else that's interested, you can go to quantummemoir.com and find out more. A video from my computer, I recorded me shuffling the cards, drawing the card. This is the card that I drew. And I went on talking about it. I read a beautiful passage in there like it was beautiful poetry. Then I started doing my own journaling about it. And then I go to watch the video and I find out I didn't press record. I had a mess up with the recording, and so I didn't actually record it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a picture of the passage in the book, and I'm going to let you intuit that yourself as this kind of refined message that I am a verb. Life is just unfolding. You're just going to go with the flow. And I hope that this card, Blue Azure, the blue temple, I hope you find as much magic in it as I did, as it mentions the blue moon, which is the cycle that we're ending today. And for anybody else that's new to Quantum Memoir, you can go to quantummemoir.com and learn more. Okay, Devo, it is just too beautiful of a passage for me not to read it to you, and it's kind of hard for me to get a good picture of it for you to read yourself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read it to you, and you can kind of use it like a little meditation. So just listen to what the Blue Temple has to say. Welcome to the Blue Temple, the home of the alchemical imagination. You have entered a space of new depths, new possibilities. The inner eye opens and you become willing to see in a new way. To understand this card, one must study blue itself. It is the celestial color of the sky, the ocean, and the peacock's tail. Though potent, blue slips away. Through this color, our imagination threads together experiences, both grim and glorious. Think blue films and blue ribbons, the halls of heaven and the harrows of melancholy. We are taken into the depths of the mood, of tone, of the rhythm of the blues. The eternal mystery of blue will only deepen as we study it, and this is precisely the point. Leave the cerebral behind, cloak yourself in the sapphire robe, and sit quietly in the vault of mysteries. To go deeper, look at surrealist and Taoist works, and let your imagination roam. To ponder, earth as the azure vault. Once in a blue moon is a significant phrase. If the blue temple card and the moon card appear together, Take note, the unlikely is the most likely. And if you remember, we did pull the moon card earlier in the week. And this is actually a blue moon, which doesn't happen every year. Many people dismiss the azure vault as nonsense. Don't worry about them. Stay tuned to your own attendance, to this sacred place, and notice how you feel there. So go ahead and ponder the blue temple. Find your lesson for the 7-day cycle, your refinement, what you will enhance, and just kind of reflect on your purpose that you explored and see where it's going to take you for the next lunar cycle.